looks like we're getting closer. What time are we at now? What time are we at now? We got 42 minutes. Yeah, Beaver Dam Road.
Yeah, they clap. Honestly, it would be good.
Right, it's that cute. They just need like a two-step. Just
Come on, you have it. Come on, you could come up.
or they could roll up 1, 2, 3, 4 times.
They're already down there. You never did the.
We're at the bridge. And Sagamore. Okay, so now we're in Hyannis, Cape Cod. Here we are. Cape Cod, Hyannis Transportation Center. Gate Mart. Almost there. South Street. It's 0.04 miles. The 19th Tavern. That's my
Please let
number.
the driver drive.
That's my number. 19th. Oklahoma. I'm here at the boat. That's going on the Helen H. Right there. They're cleaning it off. This is the marina where you catch the boat. So hopefully we're gonna come home with a whole lot of fish. We are on the boat now, and I am here with my family. We are fishing. We are on the Helen H. And we got our poles. We got our poles. And Lil Lovie is going on her first fishing trip too.
Her name is not Lovie. Her name is Terrence Michael South. Come on now.
Turkey Dad can probably convince us to name her Renee.
Oh no! Why?
Well, you have 2 other Renos already, and everybody has your last name.
All right. Oh, the Sea Queen. I've been on that boat before, but I never caught anything. On the Sea Queen, you get on the other side. Okay, now we're taking off. We're backing up. We're moving out. We're moving out. I'm gonna put mine on too in a minute. Here we go. We're backing up. We're getting ready to leave the dock. All right, here we go. We are going fishing. I know, it's beautiful. Taking off. So I'm going to the front. Oh, tell us, walk it. Get to the front. Come on, Tom. Excuse me. Brought him up to the front. See, come over here. Just hold on to the side. Yeah, you can hold on. Yeah. We going out. We go out slow because they don't want you to make a wake. It's called. So if we go fast, it makes the waves bigger. And since there's other boats, we have to go out slowly, and that's why you'll see signs that say no wake on those buoy things. Like over here. See right there? Right here. Look. See, it says no wake. Yeah. So we'll probably be doing this for about 30 minutes. Are you waving at the people? Yeah, they always wave at. Yeah, they always wave. Boats always wave at each other. So I wish I could zoom in. Oh, there we go. There's my zoom. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, come on. Fixing your baits. No fish so far. We just started. Let me get the other one. There you go. That looks good. I'm about to get your brother. Wait up. Get off me. Just put boogie on my finger.
Don't do that. I don't want that. It's not funny. Don't do that again.
Oops. Alright, here we go. Beautiful. Yep. See the captain down there driving the boat. On the boat. See fishing. My family. To the marina in Hyannis. Do I have my phone? Yeah.
Can I use it real quick? My phone died. I just need the last few clips about TikTok.
Oh, look at that big old boat coming in behind us. Like, don't catch us, don't catch us. Okay, this is the Hyannis Marina.
This tiny boat.
All the fishing poles all lined up. It was a nice fishing trip because it wasn't crowded. Family fun day. Beautiful to be able to spend days like this with your family. So blessed, so gifted. So we're pulling into the dock. And then hopefully we'll go to the seafood restaurant afterwards. I think I said that already. America. I think I mentioned this restaurant too. I've been to both of them before. Baxter's. Is this the Baxter's? Just near the park? Yeah, this is the one. That's the one. I thought she was talking about that other one that's on the other side of where we used to park at. The Angler. You've been on that boat, that one too. The Angler. Well, they use that boat sometime too. That kid's still yelling.